Today we're talking about the classic pork butt. Now, a question I get a lot is chips versus chunks. I like to use chunks, and the chips really go kind of fast. And these have been soaking in water for about an hour. That soak time on the chunk is going to allow them to burn slower. The wood I use is the wood that's most readily available. Dry brine versus a wet brine. Now, I'm of the opinion that a wet brine, while it is great for many things, can sort of detract from getting a nice, solid, crispy bark. All great rubs have three basic components. You've got sugar, a little brown sugar there, a little white sugar, and salt. Smoked paprika, garlic powder, some dry mustard, some coarsely ground black pepper, some ground ginger, and some ground cumin. I like to get in there with my hands. You really don't want to let this sit any longer than overnight, but you can almost over brine it. You don't want these spices to sort of overwhelm all the great natural flavors of the pork. All right, our pork butt and the rub have been spending about 30 minutes of quality time together. Now, when we place this on the grill, we want to go fat side up, and that 250-degree temperature really takes over. This fat is going to render down and sort of self-baste the rest of the meat. All right, so the butt has been on there about 8 hours now, cooked it for 5, did a quick turn, closed the lid again for another 3 hours. Now it's time to shred it. Easiest way, grab a couple of forks and just go in. There is no right or wrong way. So I think with a pork sandwich, or slider in this case, it's all about the balance. I like a little coleslaw on mine. I love pickles, a little crunch, a little tartness. Some sauce, use your favorite sauce. If you got a home recipe, do that. And there you have it. Very simple, classic, old school smoked pork butt sandwich. Please check us out on Barbeque&A. Like, comment, follow us. If you're watching on YouTube, please ding that bell. We love that.